Welcome to another video of a backyard workout, day 3. So, just wanted to explain a little bit about this weight here. So you see, I have a big plate here and I have two small ones here. So on this side we have 10 kg, on this side we have about 12.5. The reason that I've done it like this is because I can still get the good weight that I need for my chest, about 26 kg with the barrel in the middle. But the thing is, like, because I like to put them on my knee and kick them up, this flat raise, the flat one here, helps me to put this on my knee. I'll show you right now. So, putting it this way on your knee, because see the flat sits here on the knee, and then that will allow me to kick it up and start my workout. So we're aiming for 10, 3 times of 10. So, because these weights are not actually the weights I actually lift for the chest, usually I do 35 kilos on the per hand, and these ones are about 25. So what I'm doing is, like, I'm increasing the reps. So what I used to do 10 reps, I do 15. So if you, for whatever reason, you are in the gym and you don't have your weights that you need, for example, if you're doing 30 kilos on your one hand for your chest, just increase the reps and then fix your technique. You still get the workout and the intention that you need on your chest. Next exercise will be some biceps, and in this workout I will show you the position I do to get a better intention. But before that, we have another 2 sets of the chest. I'm going to create a shed here and put this camera under as the sun will not allow me to film now. I'll put it here. So there we go. Next, second set, 3 times of 10. Let's aim for 16. So when you do more reps on your chest, after you pass the 10, 11 rep, you're starting to feel the burn of your chest. That's where you're actually starting to grow your muscle. So when you're trying to grow your muscles, you grow them not in the first reps when you're getting warmed up. It's always the last 1, 2 or 3 reps, especially the last one. Even if you can't go anymore, the feeling that your muscle is getting like it's gonna rip. That's the time that your muscle grows, because it's unlocking new, I don't know what to call it, muscle sides. So yeah, it's expanding more. Third set. Let's aim for at least 15. I haven't started my watch, so I can check my breaks. I will do on the third set. And after this one, we're gonna jump into the biceps. That's it. Chest workout done. Ready to jump into the biceps. Amazing. So, the trick when you do your biceps is you need to make sure that you put your bench in a position that when you're sitting down, you need to make sure your elbow is behind your body. So you want to be here, your shoulder. And then when you're going down, you want to go like that. Elbow, full extend, arm, and then all the way up. You don't want to swing your elbow. You don't want to do this. That is not a proper biceps. That is like a halfway, maybe even worse. So what you're trying to do, you're trying to start from here, and you're trying to go up, squeeze, and then full extend down 10 times. In your last 1 or 2 reps, if you are struggling, you are allowed to cheat, but try to not to. You're allowed to kind of move a little bit your elbow just to push up. But if you can manage to do it without it, you will get a better intention inside your muscle here. One more thing. If you are in the gym lifting 20 kgs on your biceps, standing, you probably swaying your elbows. That means when you use this type of position, you need to reduce your weight. Reducing your weight using a better technique is a better growth of muscle than over lifting heavier to swing your elbows, doing it wrong. So usually I used to do 18 kgs, but on this exercise, on this position, I do up between 12 to 14 kgs. So let's crack on and let me show you how I use this technique here. So make sure your elbow is not swinging like I said before. So stay still. Better less weight, better intention on your muscle. So your starting position here, and then all the way squeeze it up, all the way down. Squeeze. Down. Make sure your elbow stays in the same position. So the next exercise will be shoulders, but this one will be standing with the barrel. So I'm going to attach about 30 kilos, 15 kilos on each side. And I'm just going to stand and I'm going to push up to do some shoulders, and also it helps with the core as well. So let's crack on this one. First of all, I need to add the weights, and before I add the weights I need to put the camera somewhere that I can stand. I guess that. There we go. That's good. So okay, let's increase a bit of weight. And this is the last set of the shoulders. Shoulders press. Ah.